Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact path and file name so the command prompt targets the right file. Once done, open CMD via the Start menu or Win+R and type CMD, then press Enter. This launches the shell immediately. Next, change to the folder containing the file with CD, C, /path/ to /folder, and check contents with dir so you can see the file name and extension. Doing this first prevents common path errors and speeds up the next steps. Now you issue the command to open the file and choose how it should open. If you want the default application, type Start, file name, ext. This triggers Windows to launch the associated program. For quick text viewing, use type file name, txt or pipe to more so output paginates. If you prefer a specific editor, invoke it directly, for example Notepad file name, txt or code file name, txt for VS Code. Each option helps depending on whether you need to view, edit, or launch. Finish by confirming the file opened as expected. If the program hangs, close it normally or use taskl/im process. exe to forcibly stop it. If you get file not found, make sure the path and file name are spelled correctly, include quotes around paths with spaces, and confirm the extension is correct. Also make sure you have permission to access the file. Run CMD as administrator if necessary. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.